Okie dokies! In this video, we'll learn how to embroider eyes onto your crochet project. If you don't want to use plastic eyes, this is a great alternative to give your toys a softer look. Start by threading a yarn needle with black or contrasting yarn, depending on the color of the toy. Then you're going to insert your needle into the top or the back of your project and bring it out where you want the first eye to be placed. Using small stitches in a circular or oval shape, you're going to kind of make some little shapes. I like to start with a little cross almost. Started going to get kind of the base and to get the right size to make sure it matches. The second one to make sure it matches the project. And then just continue moving in a circular or oval shape around the base several times, and eventually you'll see it start to make a circle. And then I'm just going to kind of go around the edges to just kind of make sure that it's a nice clean edge around where I want my eyes to be. And you can kind of move the yarns around to make sure that you're filling in everything, kind of play with it a little bit, make sure that it's the right shape, right size, in the same placement as the second eye. And we're going to come back out through the center of the head, or wherever you came in from. Sometimes it takes a little fishing around to get the needle back up where you came from. I like to go in through the very top of the head, just kind of where you started your project, to kind of help have a little more seamless entry. Make sure it's pulled nice and tight in there. And if you came in through the same hole, you should be able to tie a little knot and tuck in those yarn ends so that the eyes stay attached. They stay nice and tight. And then you can weave in the ends so that you don't see them. Just grab your hook, grab all the yarns, and start pulling them through. Cut off the excess yarn and you are all done. That's how you embroider eyes. This technique adds a handmade touch to your crochet toys and is perfect for soft, safe baby toys.